Hi, so we are from second group. So I'm going to explain about the safety procedure before you start the welding. So firstly, you have to wear the head helmet, which is called head shield, so that it protects your head and also your eyes from when you're doing welding. You know, the light would be very strong. It can, it can make your eyes get burst. So that you have to wear the head shield to protect your eyes and your head. Secondly, you have to wear your gloves because to protect your hands, so that when you hold a plate which is hot, you won't have to hold bare hand. You can hold it with gloves, and it won't be so hot for you. Thirdly, you have to wear safety boots. Safety boots is for your protection for your leg, and when you're working in a workshop, there must be any sharp things over the floor. So when you're working time, the safety boot can protect you. Or when you have metal when you're holding, when it falls down, so it can protect your leg also. And the last but not least, safety jacket is to protect you, protect your shirt inside, and then to protect you from having rashes or any sharp objects to go underneath the skin. Thank you so much for listening to our safety procedures. Enjoy!